Hi guys, welcome to another AI accredited video. Today we're joining the trend of Studio Ghibli style images using ChatGPT's new image capabilities for the 4.0 model. As OpenAI released the new 4.0 model on March 25th, it now has new image capabilities. The model has improved how it renders prompts more accurately, delivering stunning results with fewer artifacts in the images. One of the greatest features is that text rendering has become more precise, and now lots of text can be added to the images with zero typos, misspellings, or weird hallucinations. The first example of the new capabilities are shown in this photorealistic image of a woman writing text into a whiteboard. The text is so realistic that it really looks handwritten. Other great details are the reflections on the whiteboard's glossy surface and the overall natural lighting of the image. They got it so good at following the prompt that you can break down blocks of text and tell the model how exactly you want them in your image. This image of a man with this poem written in fridge magnet pieces is just so amazing that it looks like a 100% real picture. And then we have a cartoon strip with 4 panels that shows accurate, coherent, and perfectly rendered text. Another feature is that you can now generate infographics that actually make sense, unlike the ones that could be generated using DALL-E 3. The model comes with features like the 3 text rendering we've talked about, restyling capabilities for uploaded images, following detailed direction from your prompt, transparent layers, improving character consistency, and more. In the rest of the examples, we can see how well the text rendering capabilities are used in different contexts for illustrations or photorealistic images. The multi-turn generation lets us edit the images through a natural conversation with ChatGPT by clicking a generated image and adding additional information or removing elements until we're satisfied with the results. A great example of this is the cat image that's further refined into a video game screen by adding different elements. The super advanced reasoning of the model is capable of adapting to your needs easily and produces great results in just a few minutes. Now what we're here for, the Studio Ghibli style that everyone is talking about. For that, go to a new ChatGPT conversation, select the ChatGPT 4.0 model, and upload the image you want to turn into Ghibli style. Then, make sure to click the 3 dots at the bottom of the prompt bar and select Create Image to use the image creation section. Simply input your prompt. We're going with something simple like, turn this image into a Studio Ghibli style image, and send our prompt. For this example, we've uploaded an image with lots of elements in the backpack of our character, like a rolled mat, a pan, a water bottle, binoculars, and more. In a matter of minutes, we have our results. It takes a little longer than it did with DALL-E, but the quality of the result is totally worth it. It captured all the relevant elements, like the blue backpack, the red jacket, the striped shirt, and the rest of the elements hanging from the backpack. Now, let's take it a step further and edit the image by clicking it and continuing the conversation. This time we'll add a forest background. In just a minute, we have our image back with the desired background. Even though some elements in the image and the character's expression were adjusted, I think it's safe to say that the character consistency is there, and it captures the essence of our character really well. Following the trend, you can turn some of the most popular memes into this style too. To do this, repeat the same steps as before. Upload your desired image, select image creation, go simple with your prompt, and submit. In just a minute, you'll have your results to have fun with. You can upload pictures of you and your friends, your family, your pets, or anything else you can think of. And that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video.